What's up YouTube, it's Gohar here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here, and before we begin I gotta tell you that today's weather here in Vancouver is stunning. It's beautiful. The sun shines so bright and warm, and it's gonna give me a lot of positive vibes, which I would like to share to you through today's video. So in today's video we're gonna draw anime eyes from different sides, which is from the front, from 3/4, and from the sides. But before we get into it, if you like me, if you also like this kind of content, mash that like button right now. If you have any questions, leave on the comment section below, and if you want to see me and this channel grow, do not hesitate to press subscribe and then turn on the ring notifications so you won't miss my next video. Having said that, without further ado, and before you get sick of me talking, let's get started. Okay, so first we gotta start from this one, the 3/4 sides, and I have line art layer here, and then this one is the construction line. And I wanna, we need to make another layer here to make this sketch. Let's rename it as sketch. And then I'm using the PROCREATE pencil. First, you gotta draw the the eyebrow here and around here. And then the middle here is gonna be the edge of the eyes. The thing is, you gotta draw the nose first to separate the sides, and then you gotta start from here, pull it down there, like this. So the point is, you just follow the construction line that we already made before for the eyebrow, and then this one here is for the edge of the eyes. This. The style of the eyes is completely 100% to you, but again, today we're gonna draw the generic style one. And then add some lips. So yeah, there you have it. The key point of drawing this one is started from the nose, so you know where's the sides, to separate the sides. So as you can see, the eye on the first side is always so small. Not so small, but smaller than the other one, like this. So you can kind of have a sense of distance and angle here. And then try to remove the lines, and there you go. And now the one from the front, just like before. Turn it on the lines, and then stay on the sketch, and then you gotta turn on the drawing assist to make them symmetrical. Start from the eyebrow here, and then this one is gonna be the end of the eyes. And then now you got all the sides, so you gotta turn off the drawing assist so you can draw the nose. Just like that. Try to make a little bit of a difference with the eyes, because again, they're not twins, they're sister. then this one from the side, it's super easy. Instead of drawing a full eyes like this, it's gonna look too big. You're gonna actually make them half shorter, and then the eyebrow is gonna be like this much. And then as usual, you start from there as the edge of the eyes, and then you take half of it like this. Because it's from the side, you can actually see it just like half the eyeball. So we're gonna add some eyebrow though. I mean lashes. Like this, and then draw the pupil. This. And lips. Perhaps the eyebrow needs to be a little higher. Okay, so now you remove it and turn off the drawing guide, and there you go. You have the 3 different angles of the eyes, and that's it. I hope you learned something from today's video. I guess that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the most important thing, I hope you learned something from me. And if you guys want to check out my art, I usually post on Instagram, which is I put it here, and a Twitter as well, and I'm gonna put the link down below in the comment sections. Yeah, I think I got nothing else to say. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye-bye.